What every long-term disability policyholder needs to know about postural orthostatic hypotension. Let me tell you the story about a long-term disability policyholder with POTS who was denied benefits because of a lack of formal diagnosis. Disability claims are often denied on the basis that there's no objective evidence of a diagnosis, because there's no objective testing that will confirm the diagnosis. Now, postural orthostatic hypotension can be difficult to diagnose, and many disability carriers expect to see a positive tilt table test. If not, the carrier will deny a claim, and that's exactly what happened to Mr. Hines in the case I'm just about to tell you about. The court upheld a denial of his claim on the basis that his POTS was never decisively diagnosed and was ultimately refuted by objective evidence, the negative tilt table test. Now, the lesson to be learned in a case like this is to read the policy closely, get the necessary medical testing, and have the treating physician explain the objective medical evidence that will corroborate the diagnosis notwithstanding the testing, and explain the significance or lack thereof of any negative test results. Now, that's the strategy that I took in one of my cases, where my family doctor client was diagnosed with POTS. And the carrier denied the claim on the basis that there was no objective evidence of on the tilt testing that showed that he had POTS. But what they ignored were the cardiac findings on the tilt table test. So I ultimately had to get the cardiologist to diagnose that or to document that in fact there were objective positive findings on the tilt table test from a cardiac standpoint that confirmed the diagnosis. So going the extra mile and developing the medical evidence, looking behind the wrongful denial of a claim is crucial, and it requires the support of a physician who cooperated with us. And it also, in this instance, because my client was a doctor, he helped me get the necessary medical literature that dealt with the basis of the denial and refuted the disability carrier's denial based on applicable medical literature. And that's a lesson that I've learned, that I really, if I can't get the physician involved from a statement standpoint, then I'm going to go that extra mile. I'm going to do the necessary medical research and literature search that will address the disability doctor's opinion that there isn't any objective basis for the diagnosis or the restrictions and limitations. You can see that handling a case such as POTS is a team effort. If your POTS claim has been denied, contact me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you get the disability benefits you deserve for POTS, regardless of where you live in the United States. 727-894-3188.